Hi, ako po si Cyrene Quizon and I'm 20 years old. Filipino po ako pero nakatira na po kami sa Japan. Sa school po namin sa Japan, yung course po namin may study abroad program po sila, and with the help of agency nalaman po namin yung tungkol sa GC. Sobrang convenient po ng surroundings ng GEC kasi sobrang daming restaurants. Sobrang bait po nila, so marami po kaming natututunan. Yung speaking ability ko and yung listening skills ko is, I think, nag-improve. Yung goal ko po before pumunta dito is to improve my speaking skill and also to communicate sa iba't ibang tao. Opo. Kasi ngayon nung nag-aaral po kami dito, ang dami ko pong natutunan tungkol sa English, and na-realize ko na ang dami ko pa palang hindi alam tungkol dito. Kaya gusto ko pong bumalik ulit at matapos yung lessons. Yes, kasi based sa experience ko, sobrang nakatulong po talaga siya. Mga 30 ringgit a day. Ngayon may host family po ako and doon ako nagsistay sa kanila, and sobrang bait nila and sobrang na-feel ko na welcome po ako. I had so much fun studying at GEC. I wasn't only able to learn about English but also about different cultures through my classmates, and also all the teachers here are very kind, so I was able to study comfortably, and I think all the people here in KK are very kind, so I really had a lot of fun staying here, even though for 2 weeks only, but I think I would want to come back here.